In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in Attio. First, sign into your Attio account and head to Lists. Click the plus icon to add a new list. Think of a list as a focused workspace that groups related records together so you can track and manage them in one place. Choose Start from Scratch to build exactly what you need. For this walkthrough, select Deals as the object. Objects define the kind of records you'll store and the fields available for them. Deals are perfect for demonstrating a pipeline because they naturally move through stages. Give your list a clear, descriptive name and click Create List. Consistent naming helps teammates instantly recognize what the list is for. Now choose the Kanban view to visualize your work as cards moving across columns. Kanban is ideal for pipeline-style workflows because each column represents a stage, and moving a card to the next column shows progress at a glance. Add a title for your Kanban view, then select New Status Attribute. This attribute is the field that powers your columns. Creating a dedicated status attribute keeps your stages clean and avoids mixing them up with other fields. Name the new status attribute and confirm. Let's set up the stages. Click the plus icon to add planning, which you can use for early scoping or qualification. Add to do for items that are ready to start. Add in progress for active work. Add review for checks, approvals, or QA. Finally, add completed for finished items. You can always rename or reorder stages later as your process evolves. With your board ready, add a new deal. Enter a name like New Project, then create the record. Open its details and choose In Progress so the deal stage reflects its current work status. Assign a deal owner so it's clear who's responsible, and enter the deal value to capture the opportunity's size. Click Create Record to save your updates. Next, click Set Lead and select Planning for this example. This ensures your lead-related status lines up with how you want to categorize the record on the board. When you're happy with everything, click Add to List, and the deal appears in your Kanban with all the right details. To recap, you logged in, created a list from scratch, chose deals as your object, set up a Kanban view with a new status attribute, added stages from planning through completed, and created a deal with owner, value, and the correct stages so it displays exactly where you expect. That's how to use Kanban in Attio. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.